Okay, so I have a pair of these Evo Recaros, I think they're Evo4, and I'm going to fit in the BM. The driver one needs some serious repair, but I'll get that done later down the line. Passenger side, it's pretty good. The bolts are starting to go here a little bit, but apart from that there, it's pretty good. Okay, it's pretty handy to get these seats out. There's a bolt there and a bolt there, and they just pop out. Yeah, so I have the seat out. I hadn't really thought about how I was going to do this yet, but my thinking is we'll take this off, this, all four, then we'll try and bolt maybe a bit of angle onto that there, and then put the seat on, see what the height's like. That's it off. This is the front, that's the back obviously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the seat on. We're actually going to put this in the car and then set the seat on, see where it sits. Right, so I have the rails out of the car again, and I've got this bit of box section. I cut it down the middle to make some angle because I checked my supplies and I have no angle left. So I think I'm going to cut this 17 inches and then I'll come back to you. The idea I have here is I'm going to bolt this onto there like that, and this side on there. I will then make maybe weld a bit of flat on the inside layer to bring that up, and these should line up to the bolt pattern on the underside of the Recaro. And if it does, we'll drill some holes and bolt it on, and that should be it. I thought it was going to be a lot harder than that there. My famous last words, but here we go. I'm lining up the bolts here to bolt the seat onto this bit of angle. You can see that this seat actually is in need of major repair, but I'll get that done soon. But you can see there, and then there's another two at the front. So I have to measure distance between all the bolts and get them lined up. So this here is pretty close. So I'm going to use the square and then put a line from the front to the back, and then we'll measure where these holes are going to be. So what I did here is use the measurements from the driver's side, and they all seem to line up quite well. But we will know now if this doesn't line up that I fucked it real good. Okay. So does it fit? Yes! Excellent. Just a wee overview in case you didn't want to watch the video all the way through. I basically put 2 bits of angle on. I've made a wee leg here and the bolt to the original mounting points on the seats, so I can put the original seat back on if I ever want to. Right, time to put them in the car.